Hey guys, it's Isaac Cody here. Today we're going to be making a basketball shooter game in Scratch. This is a two-part series, so let's get started. First of all, delete this card sprite. Now we're going to be using three characters in this game. First, let's look for let me search in picture. Yes, picture. Now we're going to be needing basketball. Yes, and then we need Ripley. Ripley is going to be the enemy. So now change the size to 55. Basketball size already 100, leave it as 100, and change the picture size to 80. Now we've got that. It's okay now. So now let's start coding. Go to events, in picture, put in a when clicked. Then now want to choose a sound. So go to sounds, press this, and now look, just search kickback. So choose it. Now we're going to say start play sound kickback until done. Now we're going to go to control, repeat 18 times. Now after we've done that, go to events again, put in a when clicked under. Now we say go to a position, say go to X 164 and Y 87. No, sorry, go to X minus 164 and Y minus 87. Now we're going to say switch backdrop. I'm going to choose the backdrop, so let's use Space City 2. Pick it. Now we're going to say switch backdrop to Space City 2. Go to looks, just scroll down, switch backdrop to Space City 2, put it there. Now say switch costume to picture A. So what we want to do after we've done this code, now we're going to finish this one, we're going to do the movement, and whenever space key is pressed, basketball shooter in every 4 or 5 seconds. So let's continue. Now we're going to say point in direction 90. Now we're going to go to control, put in a forever. We're going to say if then key space pressed, switch costume to picture C. Why I put this code is that when the game starts, it should stay like this. Then when I press space for it to shoot out the ball, it should go to this. That's a very good code. Let's continue. Now I'm going to go to events again, put in a when clicked. Now we're going to go to control, let's make the movement, put in a forever. Now bring out for if then. Let's just duplicate this. So now let's put one in. Let's shift this down. Now I'm going to say if then key right arrow. Always remember this thing, is very good to know the movement. My previous videos I teach you such and so. Now say point in direction 90. Now we're going to say move 10 steps. Then put in the second if then. Now we're going to do left. So say if key left arrow. Now this one will be minus 90. Just duplicate this. Now put in minus 90. So now after doing that, let's do up and down. Just put in on if then here. No, let's call it first. Say key up arrow pressed. Pointing, just duplicate this. And so you say point in direction 0. So now, after now, last one up, down, which is 180 degrees. Just copy this. Now, putting key down arrow. Now let me just use this feature here. So yes, got it. Now we're done with the movement. Just off it. Now we're going to go to events again. We're going to make a timer that once it's 35 seconds, if you haven't killed all the enemy, it will make a alert sound and it will stop knowing that you have lost if you have not killed all the enemies. So let's continue. We say when, now we put in a when clicked. Now we're going to say set timer. Let's go and make a variable. Make a variable timer. For all sprites, say okay. Now say set timer to 0. Forever, it puts change. Now go to control, put in a forever, and put the changes here. And if please set timer to 0 forever. Wait, sorry, just put change timer by 1. Now I'm gonna go wait 1 second so it will count normally. Now we see and the rest of that. The timer is counting, the sound is working, and the characters are good. So let's continue going. Now we're gonna say when clicked set score. Also use score. So make another variable. So now say set score to 0. Now let's just scroll down. Events. Now put in a when clicked, set score to 0. Now we're going to go to events again. When clicked, control forever. Wait until. Now we're going to go to operators, put in an equals to, change this to 35. Now we're going to go to control, no, make a variable timer. Say okay. Okay. Oh, just bring this. We've already created timer. Wait and timer equals to 35. Now leave it here. Now say repeat till. Let's repeat. Repeat. Where's the repeat? So now repeat to. Wait, let's just save the project. Just and save. Make sure to save it. And now let's continue. Now let's take. We're going to go to sound again. I want to go and search for sound alert. So let's quickly do that. Sorry, alert, not sound alert. Now pick it. Now I'm going to say repeat 2 times. That means you do like alert sound 2 times. Start sound alert. Let me just allow it to hear it. Sound. So now I'm gonna also say wait 1 second. say stop all. So now let's just quickly test it. Wait for the timer to reach 30 and then that's what we wanted it to do. The music is working. It worked. So this repeat to sound alert. Okay, then I think the music worked well. Maybe let's just change it to 17 times. Everything worked well. So we've come to the end of this video. In part 2 we'll be making the movement. We can also move. So we've come to the end of this video. In part 2, are going to be making the movement of replay and how the basketball will shoot out. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Happy coding.